Does Crystal Restore really work? If you feel stuck, disconnected, or tired of struggling against obstacles, Crystal Restore may help unlock your potential by providing greater mental clarity, elevated perception, and extraordinary manifestation power. This supplement is designed to activate the pineal gland, known as the third eye, which is the key to accessing the energies of the universe and transforming your reality. The mystical power of the pineal has been mentioned throughout history, and modern science has proven that the crystals within it have the ability to unlock supernatural abilities to manifest reality. These crystals act as microantennas, sending and receiving frequencies that connect us to spiritual vibrations. Over time, toxins such as fluoride accumulate in the pineal gland, negatively charging the crystals and blocking the third eye, making it difficult to manifest good things. Crystal Restore helps reverse this process and unlock the full potential of the mind. Now let's talk about how Crystal Restore truly works and what makes this supplement so powerful. The exclusive formula of Crystal Restore was developed to reactivate the crystals in the pineal gland and restore the connection to universal energy. Its ingredients include 9 powerful antioxidants: jagged jade, a rare species of ginkgo biloba, Bacopa monnieri, a legendary Ayurvedic herb, pycnogenol, pine bark extract, tamarind, spirulina, lion's mane mushroom, chlorella, moringa, and mahogany neem. Each ingredient has the ability to neutralize the negative effects of fluoride on the crystals of the pineal gland. When properly combined, they create a shield that reverses damage, protects, and enhances the pineal gland, making the supplement effective in activating and protecting it. If you feel ready to unlock your potential and live the life you've always dreamed of, take the opportunity to try this supplement that has transformed the lives of so many people. Learn more details on the official page. Don't wait any longer and click the link below. No matter where you are on your journey, Crystal Restore could be the key to unlocking new pathways and helping you manifest everything you desire. With pure ingredients and a rigorous production process, you are guaranteed a product of superior quality. If you are ready to make a change, don't delay any further. Click the link below. The link to purchase the official product securely is available below this video. I hope this video has helped you understand how the pineal gland can be the key to unlocking your true potential and manifesting the life of your dreams. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.